Gas griddles are all the rage right now, and we agree. They're an awesome addition to either an outdoor kitchen or just an outdoor cooking area. But what you might not be aware of are all the different options you really have when it comes to an outdoor griddle. Griddles can come in a large range of prices, and a lot of it comes down to what it's made out of. A lot of the ones you'll see are going to be made out of carbon steel, and it's a lot more like cast iron, where it's going to require a lot of seasoning, maintenance, and it is going to be a little bit more prone to rust, which may not always be the best if you plan on keeping it outside. The alternative to that is one like this here, that's made out of stainless steel. There are different grades of stainless steel, so you want to keep that in mind. But overall, stainless steel is going to be a lot less maintenance, easier to clean, and you don't have to season it and upkeep it like you would a cast iron or carbon steel griddle. Personally, if I'm spending money on something, I want something I can put outside, use and abuse it, and it just works every time when I want it to. And for the most part, when it comes to griddles, that means stainless steel and good quality stainless steel, not some cheap box store stainless. And besides just lasting longer and be able to toss it outside and let it do its thing every single time you want to use it, it's also way easier to clean up, and you're going to get more even heat distribution because it can vary by which one, but some of these even have cast iron bolted underneath the stainless steel plate to give you a lot more even heat. So gone are the days where you put the burger on there and then you flip it, but you gotta put it somewhere else because now that spot's cold and you're looking for a new warm spot. With a higher end griddle, the whole thing's gonna be warm. You flip it on the same spot and it just works every time. If you're looking for your next gas griddle or looking to step up from what you have currently, make sure to be aware of your options and know what it's made out of. Is it carbon steel or is it stainless steel? And how much time you're gonna have to spend maintaining it and upkeeping it just in order to use it. If you're looking for one that's easy to clean, low maintenance, and has great results every time, check out Kick-Ass Grills.